Today we're fixing this little corner of this building here. Hopefully this crack goes farther down. Maybe there's a crack in the foundation or something. The client just wants us to fix this part where the stucco is delaminated and crumbled right off. So we're fixing this area and some of these little areas at the bottom where the stucco is also peeled off. Teddy scraped off most of the loose stuff in the corner, grind it away, make sure we had a nice bare surface. We're going to apply some primer to the wall so that the stucco has a good bond. No? Oh, I didn't see that. Okay. The client originally tried to repair the spalling on the stucco himself. He went to the store and bought this really spongy stucco repair material. It looks like it's some kind of acrylic. It just fell right off the wall. It was probably really dirty when he put it on, so he probably didn't clean it, and I have doubts whether this product would have been any good anyways, even if the surface had been repaired properly. It's been like 2 months since he repaired it, and it's still like bubble gum. It's a really weird product. If you want to make your stucco or concrete a little stronger, add some primer to it as well for repairs. Helps it stick better. No. If you're wondering why we're not repairing this long crack here, it's very simple. It's because the client didn't want us to. Probably has somewhat of a point, because this crack looks like it's transferred over from the foundation behind the stucco cracking, so even if we did fix it with that crack in the foundation, it'd probably just come back. That's why we're just fixing this little area and all these areas where the stucco has spalled from the wall from here to there. Before the stucco gets really hard, you need to disappear the borders between the new stucco and the old stucco, because once it does get hard, it's going to become impossible to blend that in properly. The stucco we're using dries pretty quickly. Within 30 minutes it'll set up hard enough where we can't work it anymore. So this is the best time to get that nice detail in. We're all finished. Here's how it looks like. I think it came out pretty good. Thanks for watching.